Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial video I will teach you step by step how you can create stunningly beautiful and professional intros for your videos using CapCut. So let's get started. Now guys, to pull this off you absolutely don't need to be a professional videographer or video editor. There's a really simple way how you can do this. So the fastest and simplest way would be to simply use the video resources they feature in the Canva library. For example, as you can see, we're logged into my account here on Canva. And what I would suggest you do, guys, is click on that button here in the top right corner, create a design, and search for something like intro or YouTube intro as your content type. There you go. I will go with that design type here, YouTube intro. And on the next page here in the Canva video editor, simply browse through the Canva library to find a YouTube intro you would like to use. And you can use some of their customizable ready to use templates for YouTube intros here to the left. Simply browse through the library below and select the YouTube intro you would like to go with. Alternatively, you may narrow down your search here in the search bar and type in, for example, YouTube intro for videos in the tech niche or e-commerce or fitness. For demonstration purposes, I will go with that intro here. So click on it. Next, click on apply all pages. And after that, do some minor customization. For example, guys, I would change the name of the company or brand here because I would like to welcome viewers to my very own YouTube channel. So I will change the brand name from that company here to How to Online. There you go. And once you're content with your result, guys, click on share here in the top right corner, select download from the drop down menu, then select the output file format, which in this case here would be MP4 video. And last but not least, download your YouTube intro on your computer to head back to CapCut and to add that YouTube intro to your library and to your video project. So to do that, click on import here, locate your video file on your computer, upload it, and in the last step, select your uploaded YouTube intro, place it on your video track here on your timeline below by drag and dropping it. And if you want, guys, do some post editing or customization. For example, you may apply all kinds of filters and effects here in CapCut. And that's basically it. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.